One I'm looking forward to when telling someone that you are looking forward to. You are saying that you are waiting or hoping for something, especially with pleasure. Here are some examples. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to talking with you. I'm looking forward to going on vacation. 2. I have something plus verb. When using the expression I have something, you are communicating that you possess something or need to do something that is unspecified or undetermined. Here are some examples. I have something to complete. I have something to share with you. I have something important to tell you. I have something to encourage you. I have something to explain to you. 3. I'm here to plus verb. You are informing someone that you are at a particular place to accomplish something. Here are some examples. I'm here to apply for the job. I'm here to take a test. I'm here to receive my gift. I'm here to support all your decisions. 4. I want you to s'il plaît verb. I want you to is telling someone that you have a desire or would like for them to do something. Here are some examples. I want you to clean the dishes. I want you to come home right after school. 5. I'm not used to verbing. Here you are using not used to inform someone that you are unfamiliar or uncomfortable with a topic at hand. Here are some examples. I'm not used to talking English. I'm not used to studying so much. I'm not used to being around new people. I'm not used to talking in front of groups of people.
6. I was busy plus verbing. Here are some examples. I was busy thinking. I was busy working. I was busy cooking dinner. I was busy talking on the phone. 7. By changing was to am, you change your message from past tense to present tense and refer to something you are doing now. Here are some examples. I am busy working. I am busy cooking dinner. I am busy studying for my test. 8. I feel like plus verbing. Here you are expressing to someone something you would enjoy doing. Here are some examples. I feel like going for a bike ride. I feel like going to the beach. I feel like having a snack. 9. I'd rather plus verb. I'd is a contraction of the words I had or I would. When using it with the word rather, you are suggesting you would like to do or prefer one thing more than another. Here are some examples. I'd rather talk about this later. I'd like to eat at home than go get fast food. I'd rather ski than snowboard. 10. I didn't mean to plus verb. When using it in a sentence with the words mean to, you are informing someone that you did something you regret or are sorry for. Here are some examples. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to call you so late. I didn't mean to lie about what happened. I didn't mean to embarrass you. 11. I was about to plus verb. When stating I was about to, you are informing someone that you are going to be doing something at that moment or in the very near future. Here are some examples. I was about to go out. I was about to go to dinner. I was about to go to bed. I was about to go to work. 12. I've decided to plus verb. Here are some examples. I've decided to accept the job. I've decided to complete my degree. I've decided to change my bad habits. 13. I got a plus verb. Here are some examples. I gotta manage my money. I gotta obey the laws. I gotta move to a bigger house. I gotta impress my boss. I gotta brush my teeth. 14. By adding the word have, you can change what you are saying to express something that needs to be done in the near future. Here are some examples. I have got to be on time to work. I've got to try harder at school. 15. I want a plus verb. It is equivalent to want to. When combined with the word I, it helps communicate something you want to do. Here are some examples. I want to talk. I want to search for a job. I want to order some food. I want to marry her. 16 used to expresses something that was done in the past and is not usually done now. Here are some examples. I used to develop websites. I used to jog every day. I used to paint. I used to smoke. I used to work from home. I have plus, past participle. Here are some examples. I have done it. I have heard that before. I have driven a car. I have forgotten the words. When using the word gonna, you are telling someone what you are planning to do at that moment or in the near future. Here are some examples. I'm gonna have some coffee. I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna eat some cake. I'm gonna send out my resume. When combining the words I am and getting, you are telling someone you are gaining possession, being affected by or have plans to seek out and obtain a particular thing. Here are some examples. I'm getting better. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting a toothache. I'm getting a cold. I'm getting married. I am good at. Here are some examples. I'm good at drawing. I'm good at video games. I'm good at swimming. I'm good at driving. Describes an action you are doing. Most commonly, you would use the word in when entering a physical location such as a room or a building. Here are some examples. I'm in the shower. I'm in the lobby. I'm in a car. I'm in a house. I'm in a school. Using the word at helps tell someone where you currently are. The difference between at and in is that the physical location is general. Here are some examples. I'm at the grocery. I'm at the mall. I'm at the doctor's office. I'm at the park. I'm at the airport. However, in some cases you can use at and in interchangeably. Here are some examples. I'm at the mall. I'm in the mall. I'm at the park. I'm in the park. I'm at the grocery. I'm in the grocery. Using the word on is referring to a non-physical location such as your time being utilized by something else. Here are some examples. I'm on the phone. I'm on my computer. I'm on a bus.